the Muse. Muse? What is the name of his story that he's writing?
Why I Shop at Hot Topic.
An autobiography. Why I Shop at Hot Topic.
All right. Why I Shop at Hot Topic. Why are you calling? Why I Shop at Hot Topic. Parentheses and exercise at douchebaggery. So I'm walking through the mall the other day. I have nothing better to do with my life but stroll the mall. And before me strikes a light. It's neon pink and green, and it's Hot Topic.
Oh my God, that light. It's striking me in the eyes. It's pink and green. It says Hot Topic. Maybe I should go in.
The beautiful luminescence of the light pushed me in through the front door, where I saw Jerry spelled with the J-E-R-I behind the counter. She had red dyed hair, was very tattooed.
It's an empty door. Oh my God, hey.
Hi, welcome to Hot Topic. I like to cut myself and listen to evil music.
It's what Jerry said, but we all know it's a front because she's just young and hurting inside. So I said to Jerry,
You know, I like to cut myself. I love my tits like that.
It feels better because they hurt so much.
Yeah, you move those, I'll hold them.
and then I held them for the next 4 minutes. Because that is how long it took mall security to come to us after she pushed the button underneath the counter. Chapter 2. I'm hauling ass through the food court. The mall security is trying to catch me, donut dripping from his mouth as he slides. Chapter 3. Having just been seen leaving the Hot Topic, I thought the perfect place to hide out would be a Sports Seasons. How manly and garish that would be.
Where'd he go?
That was the most security guard I've ever seen in my life. So I decided to check out a pair of boots. I decided to try on the pair of boots.
Try out.
Damn this internal monologue!
Man, that's comfortable. I think I'll try on the other one.
It was so comfortable that I put on the other shoe. Hearing the pitter-patter of the security guard, I left my old shoes and took off. Hey! This time I was able to run much faster with my new shoes.
Help me steal them!
These boots are easily the most sound investment I've ever had. Chapter 4. Or 5. Whichever chapter I'm in now. Security guard sits down for a coffee.
Oh, that kid's wearing me out.
That wasn't the first time he said that in his life. My, this coffee's delicious, he said.
Oh my, this coffee is delicious. Oh, those kids keep wearing me out over and over again. I tell you what. Shut up, Sparrows.
Deciding that the kids taking advantage of me joke got old, I decided to white out all of that. Chapter 5, the security guard sits down for a coffee.
Oh, that's a good coffee.
Chapter 6. I go back to the Hot Topic because I feel as if I've left part of my soul there. I cannot decide if it's Jerry or some object.
Hey.
I feel your soul inside me. It was left behind. I must cut it out.
Alright. left across the street. Let that bleed out, and I'll see you next week. Ooh, Lincoln Park.
The shining light was in my eyes. It was a hybrid theory. Lincoln Park it was. Knowing that I had the new boots, I stuck the Lincoln Park hybrid theory soul reacher into my shirt.
Get off me, bitch.
Said get off me, bitch. Threw the bloody bitch to the floor and ran again.
This time I got a cart!
Oh, I think I hurt my neck doing it.
Oh! That's good time fun, isn't it?